going to be doing a very fun episode.
We have all our supplies, but you can't really see them.
Slime supplies.
You can't really see them because they're on the side of us right now.
And I'll go through them. So ready? Hey Liza, will you start messing and start handing them to me so I can hand them? Shit, that's a live thing. In case you don't know, I can help you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notification bell so when every time we post a new video, you can watch it. So we have silver washable Sergeant Art, blue washable Sergeant Art glue, and they're all glitter glues, and black. We have this giant white Amazon Basics glue thingy.
See, it's got Amazon. Okay.
My
My sister.
The classic glitter glue, the red classic glitter glue.
And then these are just glow-in-the-dark glitter glues.
Yeah.
Well, one of them
we have
is glitter.
the Elmer's glow in the dark, and then the Elmer's glow in the dark glue. Okay, so I'm gonna put this all back. So I'm going to make
a little smaller, and then we have this glitter.
Yeah.
And then we're running out of this, but we have purple glitter, and then we have rainbow glitter, so that's gonna be cool. Put rainbow glitter.
And we have some raspberry scented shaving cream. And we have some instant smell. We just add some water to it. We have this is like not even half the pack. You should add some water to it.
No.
We have some food coloring. We have some Elmer's Magical Liquid.
And then,
we
of
have
course, we need cups.
Yeah, to mix them in. Contact solution.
Yep.
So, what we're going to do is we're both going to get a cup to start.
Thank you. I'm going to go drink out of this.
No. And the first thing we're going to do
Is
pick our
glitter.
So first we're going to pick the glitter, okay? So, pick one out of all the glitters that is like, you can pick any of these, but you can only pick this or this. We have a lot of glitter glue. We have 8 bottles of glitter glue. I have an idea. You could use some of your teal. And you could use some of this.
Wait, I have a good idea.
And then at the end, you could use a little bit of this. And
That'd be a great idea.
Eliza, so we're having 2 rounds, so let's make yours first. So ready? Okay, so let's start with your, do you want to use this? I think you should use this. And so ready? Let's start. You ready? You can squirt as much as you want.
Yay, all of it. No.
Don't squirt all of that, that's a waste.
Yeah.
Do you need help?
No.
As soon as I can get this screwed on. Hi, Dad.
This.
You want to add that? That's great. Put this in your spot. Oh, God, these are... Okay, so first, you can add in the glitter, because I'm adding in the shaving cream. Add in not too much glitter. Okay, that's not getting you anywhere. Okay, is that all? Here, ready? Let's mix it and see how that looks.
Where is the tape? Oh, here it is. It's right from the Facebook.
Okay, so I'm gonna start playing with it. This is really good. Okay, so ready? It's like soft and good, and oh, I really want to use more of that almond magical liquid. Okay, it's like starting to get better. The almond magical liquid, because there's almond glue.
How about pink?
That actually look kind of cool. Okay, fill a few drops in. After this. Okay.
You made your slime purple. It actually looks like a galaxy now.
Wow, that looks so pretty.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications for every time we post a new video, and make sure to hit that thumbs up button in the face. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!